Game 789 now here, and now it is raining tacos.
The Labour leader had posed with his shadow ministers to launch his party's campaign to remain in the EU. But his lacklustre performance during the run-up to the referendum and his failure to convince many traditional party supporters to vote to remain has now prompted a wave of resignations.
I asked myself if I'm going to be stood on the doorstep over the next couple of months, if I'm going to be sat in TV studios, could I hand on heart say that I felt that Jeremy was the best person to be leading the Labour Party in developing the answers that the country is now demanding. And I didn't feel I could do that.
Ian Murray has resigned as Shadow Scottish Secretary.
I think the Labour Party more than ever needs to be in government, and I'm just not sure that the country, or what people tell me in the country, that can be delivered with Jeremy Corbyn as leader of the Labour Party.
Gloria De Piero, Shadow Minister for Young People, has gone too. Lillian Greenwood has just resigned as Shadow Transport Secretary. And Lucy Powell has stood down as Shadow Education Secretary, telling Mr Corbyn his position is untenable. But the Shadow Chancellor has been touring the studios, insisting Jeremy Corbyn will not fall on his sword and declaring he'll stand by him.
I will never stand for leadership of the Labour Party. If Jeremy has to stand for another leadership campaign, and I think the Labour Party members will elect him again. But I think that's unnecessary.
And now that's the end. It is off YouTube, and it's raining tacos. Do you know? I'll do it one more time.
Mr Corbyn's deputy, could play a pivotal role. He's cut short his visit to
You need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
and a growing number
It's
of Labour
raining
MPs say
tacos.
they no longer support him. But some shadow
I don't
ministers are
speak
calling for unity, pointing to the big
All
mandate
you
he
can
won
eat.
from party members, many of whom are planning
It's on
demonstrations
meat.
of support
It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. Like a treat.
Well, Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon has said the Scottish Parliament could block the United Kingdom's exit from the European Union. She said the Parliament in Edinburgh would have to give its consent, and she would urge
Taco
MSPs to
Bell
veto the
for
move.
3,000
2 days after
actually.
the referendum result was announced,
Lettuce,
more questions have been
cheese,
raised about how the new
salad,
relationship with the
meat,
EU will actually work.
lettuce, cheese,
Our political correspondent Chris
salad,
Mason reports.
meat. Cheese,
What will the UK look like outside the European Union? We were warned the economy
Raining
would fall off a
tacos.
cliff. So does the Cabinet Minister responsible
Raining
for business, who
tacos.
suggested just that, stand by the claim now?
Raining
I'm asking you whether you
tacos.
think we're heading for a recession and loss of 500,000 jobs. It's not an insignificant
I
question.
think if we all work together, we can avoid many of those things that were forecast. We can work together. And what about immigration? Many people who voted Leave want immigration cut, but senior figures in
That's the
government
end.
who lost